E kinde no ero beda nyuola mar Cecil Ouma koro dwaro mar mondo mi giyud ratiro ni wuodgi no endo mag yango ni nyocha ne onge wach kendo en rawera ma osebedo ka wacho pache wechegi mopogore opogore kendo timo tijene e yo nendo makare kaachiel koda bidhruok ka gikwano lal malich ma giyudo kaluwore koda nek mare.
We really feel like, number one, it is not good to take anybody's life because the only person entitled to take life is God. So any human who takes those matters into their own hands, they are animals. And we'll only want justice to be served to Cecil because as a family, we really feel hurt. Losing a family member, the person you have been talking to each and every time, and then all of a sudden the person is not there, is something that no one would want to experience.
This young man, it has been established through the autopsy process that he died due to excessive bleeding that occurred as a result of a single gunshot that went through the left hand and pierced, exited, and then entered the left side of the chest and hit the lungs, and then was lodged on the 10th rib of the spinal. So this is a clear indication that it was intentional to kill him, because it has been confirmed through witnesses, key witnesses, that in that vehicle was the driver, was the PA who was sitting in front, and then was the PS. We had the bodyguard, and we had got this young man. And so you cannot say that this young man, even if he had got a confrontation with them, that he had overpowered them. This young man was harmless, he carried no weapon, and we know he posed no serious threat to them. And from what we have established and what the doctors have said, this was very intentional. It was close range shooting.